Take a ride in the 2017 Cooper Clubman. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, sports steering wheel.
Mini certified pre-owned vehicles are obsessively inspected by the highly skilled Mini technicians. Mini certifies their vehicles in one of two ways. Both include warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and the assurance that your Mini has been reconditioned with 100% genuine Mini parts. Talk to your local dealer today to find out more about the Mini Certified Pre-Owned program.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.